Fill the solution tank. Use a low-foam carpet-safe detergent. Mix according to the label. Add defoamer to the recovery tank. Tap on the brush and vacuum function. Set spray mode. Push the button up for continuous auto spray, down for spot spray. The rightmost button adjusts spot spray duration. Continuous auto spray. Spot spray. Begin extraction. Start in a far corner and work backwards so you're not stepping on cleaned areas. The brushes agitate the carpet fibers while the vacuum extracts dirty water into a separate tank. The carpets dry faster. Use the small hand tool cleaning localized stains. Always test on a small patch before using any new detergent. Keep an eye on the dirty water tank. Don't let it overflow. Dump and rinse it after each fill-up. Avoid heavy traffic until the carpet is fully dry to prevent resoiling.